First question: Who was the stranger and why did he leave his home? स्ट्रालजर कौन था? उसने अपना घर क्यों छोड़ दिया? आंसर: द स्ट्रालजर was the son of a farmer. He had murdered a man. He was convicted, so he left his house without telling anybody. स्ट्रालजर एक किसान का लड़का था। उसने एक आदमी की हत्या की थी। वह एक अपराधी था, इसीलिए उसने बिना किसी को बताए अपना घर छोड़ दिया। क्वेश्चन सेकेंड: व्हाई डिड ही चूज दिस प्रोफेशन? उसने इस व्यवसाय को क्यों चुना? आंसर: ही चूज दिस प्रोफेशन सो दैट ही माइट नॉट बी ट्रेस्ड आउट बाय हिज एनिमी। उसने इस व्यवसाय को इसलिए चुना कि उसका शत्रु उसे खोज न सके। व्हाट प्लेस डिड ही चूज फॉर हिज प्रोफेशन? हाउ वाज इट सुटेबल प्लेस? उसने अपने व्यवसाय के लिए कौन सा स्थान चुना और यह स्थान उसके लिए कितना उपयुक्त था? आंसर: ही चूज a place near a busy crossing under the tamarind tree. It was suitable for him because the people of all trades passed by that way. उसने एक व्यस्त चौराहे के पास इमली के पेड़ के नीचे इस स्थान को चयन किया। यह स्थान उसके लिए उपयुक्त था क्योंकि सभी प्रकार के व्यवसायी व्यक्ति इस रास्ते से गुजरते थे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4: व्हाट आर द इक्विपमेंट्स ऑफ एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर विच ही टुक विथ हिम? एक ज्योतिषी के कौन कौन सामान होते हैं जिसे वह अपने साथ लिया था? आंसर: ही टुक विथ हिम a dozen cowrie shell, a square of cloth on which obscure mystic charts, a notebook and a bundle of पामरा राइटिंग्स। उसने अपने साथ एक दर्जन कौड़ी, एक वर्गाकार कपड़ा जिस पर अस्पष्ट रहस्यमय चार्ट बना हुआ था, एक नोटबुक और एक बंडल पामरा राइटिंग्स लिया हुआ था। क्वेश्चन 5: हाउ डिड ही लुक लाइक एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर? वह कैसे ज्योतिषी लगता था? Answer: he looked like an astrologer because he rubbed pious ash and vermilion on his forehead and a saffron turban on his head, dark and long whisker with all the equipments of an astrologer spread before him. वह एक ज्योतिषी की तरह लगता था क्योंकि उसने अपने ललाट पर पवित्र राख और सिंदूर लगाया हुआ था और अपने सिर पर केसरिया रंग का पगड़ी बांधा हुआ था। ज्योतिषी के सभी सामान अपने पास फैलाया हुआ था। क्वेश्चन 6: व्हाट डिड हिज क्लाइंट्स फाइंड इन हिज आईज? हाउ डिड दे फील? उसके क्लाइंट्स यानी ग्राहक उसकी आंखों में क्या पाते थे और वे कैसा महसूस करते थे? आंसर: हिज क्लाइंट्स फाउंड अ प्रोफेटिक लाइट इन हिज आईज एंड दे फेल्ट कंफर्टेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7: कुड ही सेटिस्फाइड हिज कस्टमर्स एंड हाउ? आंसर: ही सेटिस्फाइड हिज कस्टमर बिकॉज ही हैड स्टडीड अबाउट द general problem of the people. He had much experience. He had a good common sense. He gave such answer as satisfied all. Question number 8: what trick did he use in making a guess of the problem of his client? Answer: in making a guess of the problems of his clients, he let them speak first as much as they could. He listened to them patiently and guessed about their problems. Question number 9. What fee did he charge from his clients? Answer. He charged 3 pice per question from his clients. Question number 10. What was the usual time which he devoted to his profession? Answer. Usually he started his profession at midday and continued till late in the evening. Question number 11. What made the stranger feel uncomfortable? Answer. One day when he was ready to go home. Answer. When he was ready to go home, a man named Guru Nayak came to him in a dark. He was the stranger's enemy and he was search of him. So the stranger felt very uncomfortable in his presence. Question number 12. Who recognized whom and who did not recognize? Answer. The stranger recognized the man, but man did not recognize the stranger. Question number 13. How did the stranger behave with him? Answer. The stranger behaved with him like a client. He did not let him know about himself. Question number 14. Did the stranger answer his questions willingly? How? Answer. The stranger did not answer his question willingly. First of all, he refused him. At this, the man held his wrist and he threatened him that he would not let him go home until he answered his questions. Then the stranger agreed to answer his questions. Question number 15. What was the load that the stranger had been keeping in his mind and how did he get rid of him? Answer. The stranger had murdered a man, so he was always in fear of being caught. One day his enemy came before him in the dark of evening as his customer. The stranger recognized him, so by his clever trick, he made him assure that his enemy had died long before, so he should leave his search and return home. In this way, the stranger got rid of the load which he had been keeping in his mind. Question number 16. How much amount did the man give to the stranger? Answer. Guru Nayak gave the stranger all money that he had. Question number 17. When did the stranger reach home? Whom did he see at the door? The stranger reached the home at midnight. He saw his wife at the door waiting for him anxiously. Question number 18. What did the stranger do when his wife asked him the explanation of being late? Answer. When his wife asked the explanation of being late, he piled a lot of money before her. Question number 19. What was its reaction on his wife? Answer. Seeing so much money, his wife was overjoyed. Question number 20. What plans did his wife make to spend money? His wife decided to buy some jaggery and coconut to prepare some sweets for her child. Question number 21. When did the stranger tell his wife the reason of his being late? Answer. After taking dinner, the stranger told his wife the reason of his being late. Question number 22. What reason did he tell her? Answer. He told his wife that a client came to him when he was ready to come home. Question number 23. Where is the climax of the story and how does the story end? Answer. The climax of the story is when the client returns fully satisfied. The story ends in a happy mood.